Bulldozer, come and help me load the dirt.
Uh-oh.
Oh no! The wheel of Bulldozer fell off. You see, this wheel is broken. Trailer, please get a new wheel over. Okay, no problem. Excavator, new wheels arrive. Okay, I'll move the old wheels first. Lift the new wheels off. We put new wheels on the bulldozer. Bulldozer, you can drive up to have a try.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, the new wheel is broken again. Had to tow back to the repair shop. We lifted Bulldozer onto the trailer. Trailer loaded. Almost forgot, there is a tire. All installed. You can go.
Oh no!
Oh no! Bulldozer was blown apart by a tornado. Help! Help! Who will help me? You see, the wheels are missing. We need to find the wheels first. Look, here it is. And then go back to get the second wheel. There was one last wheel left. Where will it be? Oh, I saw it. It was buried under the mud. Put this wheel on the car too. Transporter, you take the tires back to the repair shop first. Trailer, I need your help. We moved Bulldozer to the carriage. Trailer, please take Bulldozer back to the repair shop. No problem. Look, there's a big pile of wood. Lumber truck, I need you to help me transport them. Now, load the wood into the carriage. I also drive excavator to help. The carriage is full. It's ready to transport the lumber.
Oh no!
Oh, it's not good. Lumber truck overturned. I need to clear away the stray wood first. Now pull lumber truck up. Oh, by the way, I have to move the rocks out of the way. Let's put the lumber back in the carriage. We're gonna need some strapping tape to secure it. A flying dragon landed on the mound. Hopefully, I got back fast, or I would have been on fire. Transporter, get out of the way!
Well, we need to find a way to get rid of the flying dragon. Oh, look! The bucket is on fire! Thanks for transporters putting out the fire. The flying dragon is too scary to confront it. What else can be done to get rid of the dragon? Huh? There are so many stones on the ground. Yeah! I hit the dragon!
Today we will plant crops. After the land is prepared, it is time to start sowing seeds. I will sow the seeds. Look, the seeds have been planted. The next step is to wait for it to grow slowly. Ooh, crops are all ripe. Let's start harvesting. Bulldozer, you should come to help harvest too. Thank you, Bulldozer. I'm going to continue loading. You see, I'm going to move this lumber today. Start loading. Huh? Listen! What is that noise? Oh, it's an elephant! Turn off excavator quickly! Don't scare the elephant! Whew, the elephant is gone at last. Did you hear that? What's the noise this time? Oh no! It's a tiger! Shh! We can't let the tiger find us. Ah! Tiger, get out of here! The tiger is gone at last. You see, the lumber is loaded into the carriage and ready to go.
Start digging! The carriage is full and ready to go. Help! Somebody help me! Don't worry, we're here to save you! We have to lift the excavator before we can save people. Hi. rescue's done. We need to get back to the hospital.
Oh no! The car is on fire! Go and put it out! Help! Help! Somebody help me! I need to get the injured back to the hospital. What about the crash car? Wrecker, I need your help here. Let me get the crash car out of here. All right, Wrecker, you tow it away. Wrecker, you back up a little bit. I'll get rid of the elephant. Elephant, elephant, please get out of the way. Wrecker, the elephant runs away. Into a pit of dirt. Oh, I'm stuck in here. Hello? I need the rescue of excavator. Okay, I'll on my way now. Guys, see how deep UTV is stuck. Now, the car is too heavy. Let the animals off first. UTV. What about the pit left there? Bulldozer, give me a hand here. The next step is to press down the soil. You see, I repaired the road. The transporting time is urgent today. I have to go faster. Help! Help! I heard someone is screaming. Let's check it. Climb up the riverbank. Oh, transporter fell into the river. Let's pull it up now. Come on, come on. Transporter is up. Excavator, help me to go across the river. I'll take a look. The river is not deep. We can build a wooden bridge. Timber truck, pull the wood over here. Got! Hook the wood to build the bridge. Put the first wood here. Hammer it into the ground. Hook the second one. Turn around. Be careful. Don't get hurt. Hammer it down. Hook the thickest one. Turn around. Put it right here. Look, my friends, the wooden bridge is built. My task is done. Let me check the wooden bridge. Good, it's sturdy enough. Transporter, you can go now. Okay, thank you. Don't worry, the bridge is sturdy. I'm transporting dangerous oil drums.